it's Anime Addict from the Pokemon Trainers, and today I'm going to be opening 5 breakthrough packs for you guys. So, I'm going to start with this one and see what we get. Hopefully I can open them, but you never know. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3. We have a Kirlia, Parallel City, Granbull, Spritzee, Cyndaquil, Hoothoot, Misdreavus, Froakie, Dedenne Reverse, and a Hawlucha. So, we will start with our Zorua pack. One, two, three. I'm actually hoping to get one of the secret rares from this set just because I love the artwork on it. But you never know. And so far I've pulled a Mega Houndoom Full Art and a regular Houndoom EX. So pray for something good, you guys. I feel like there's something good in this. I'm hoping. Okay. We have a Kirlia, Buddy Buddy Rescue, Starmie, Vanillite, Flabebe, Zorua, Fennekin, cute little artwork there, a Doduo, a Flabebe Reverse, and a Mr. Mime. So, let's see what we get. We have a Floatstone, Magneton, Giovanni Scheme, Cyndaquil, Hoothoot, Misdreavus, Froakie, Axew, Floette, and a Marowak. So, can we get some last pack magic, you guys? Okay, here we go. Last pack magic, hopefully. We have a Pinsir, a Quilava, Vanillish, Skiddo, a cute little Ralts, a Noibat, a cute little Piplup, a Magnemite, a Braviary Reverse. Oh my god, you guys! A Mewtwo EX Full Art! Wow. Oh my god. This just, oh my god. Wow. Please give this video a like for this last pack magic, and let me know what you think of my new background. Wow, thanks for watching, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.